No smoking allowed in the underground station. Hold on, let's see. And that's 14. Maybe the other way. Need help? I'll open it for you. Did you get your donuts? Excited? It's over.
It's over.
Y'all, that was so much fun. Oh my gosh. That was so much fun. That was so much fun. 20 out of 10 recommend. So much fun.
Just did it. I just said it.
This is a good day. Happy New Year's Eve, baby. And if you're ever traveling to London and you want to know what area I'm in, it's called Kensington. Y'all, in this moment, I did not want this day to end. This day was just so special to me. I said it was bittersweet. And what I mean by bittersweet, it's more so that there's a lot of challenges that come with being like a single parent and being a mom and a working mom. But also, like, the sweet part of it is like the fruits of that, right? Like, I work really hard, and being able to share like the fruits of my labor with my kid was just an amazing day. So, like, ending this day like with dinner after the ballet and going home and like just spending the new year in London, England was just very, very, very heartwarming for me, because me and my little one had the best wholesome day, I would say. And it just was like a really good New Year's. We didn't do much. We did like one little event. I took him trampolining in the morning, but we really just enjoyed each other's company and had a good time. And so, I don't know, it was just really special. Good morning, guys. My name is Taylor. Welcome to my visual diary. I'm a travel vlogger. I am right now based in London for the week, and this is my first check-in of 2025. Here's cheers to my first coffee. Cheers. Happy New Year. I hope your New Year was filled with so much joy. I don't know what you guys' New Year's resolutions are, but like for me, New Year's is like my favorite days of the year. Let's get into this year. Like, let me know what y'all are working on, because I'm actually interested. I feel like everybody's working on different things. Like, some people might be working on becoming a better parent, but some people might be trying to buy a house, like, or travel or leave the country, like whatever it may be. Let me know, because I'm actually genuinely interested. As y'all see, I'm still in my Airbnb, and it's very lived in. I do have my clothes everywhere. My son's on the bed in the background. This is reality. This is real life. What our plan is for today? Today we are going to go to the Science Museum. One of my subscribers mentioned to me that I should take my son there because they said he would love it. That or the Natural History Museum. And we had tickets to both, but we're not going to be able to make both because we're both super tired. If you can't tell, I look tired. I am tired. I love every New Year's Eve when I'm not going out to the club. That is a hot take. That is a hot take. I love New Year's Eve when I'm in the house with my family and loved ones. Whenever I would go out on New Year's Eve, I did not have fun. I don't know. Like, maybe it was just me, but it would be too crowded. Everybody would be drunk, so I'd always be worried about getting home safely and not just like, let's just say like you even took like a DD, like a designated driver. There's still people on the road that are driving and might not have a designated driver. Your risk of getting in an accident on New Year's Eve is so high. In my country, in the States, you're allowed to have firearms, so people are always shooting guns off at 12 a.m. Here was great. They were shooting fireworks off, super wholesome. And back at home, people are shooting guns at 12 a.m. I'm not trying to get hit by a stray bullet. I'm not trying to be in the crossfire of like somebody arguing. Like, it was always like I had to be on guard. And so for this one, though, it was super special. We went to see the Nutcracker, which was so gorgeous, you guys. I saw the Nutcracker in Atlanta. I took my mom to see the Nutcracker for her birthday. And the Nutcracker in Atlanta is also, I went to the Gwinnett Ballet. If you are ever looking for like a Nutcracker or performing arts, like to take your kid or loved one to during the holidays. So we went, I loved it. It was so pretty. The sets were so gorgeous, and I liked how diverse, the Nutcracker was in Atlanta. Like, there was like black girls, there was Asian girls, there was Indian girls, there was white girls. It was like everyone was in it. It was like super diverse. The only thing that wasn't as diverse is there wasn't that many men. I get it because I know like ballet is seen like more of a type of thing that women do, but I feel like I wish there was more men. Other than that, it was a really amazing show. And so while I was in there, I didn't tell my mom, but I was just thinking, I was like, this is so great. And I was like, before I die, have to see the Nutcracker in New York or London. I have to, because I know the reason why is I think of Misty Copeland and I think of the New York Ballet. And I was like, I have to see a ballet like on the gram, like the best of the best, you know, like I have to do that before I die. Mind you, I had this thought and I kept it in my head. I didn't tell anyone. My partner, because he honestly is super supportive with my channel, like he helps me come up with a lot of ideas for content, and so he sent me over like things to do in London during the holidays. On that list, no lie, was a Nutcracker. And like when I went to go see Ludovico Einaudi at the Palladium, I had to pass the Royal Albert Hall, and that's also linked in the video, and I was like, I want to go to a show here. It was a Nutcracker and it was at the Royal Albert Hall. So I was like, we're going. I don't care. We're going. And that was like our splurge of the trip. Like that was like the big thing that we did in London. It was amazing. It was so beautiful. So if you are in the London area and you live here and you can get to the Nutcracker and you're like thinking like, maybe should I do it? Shouldn't I do it? I recommend do it. And I love the diversity. It was still diverse. Like, again, there was white people, black people, Asian people. I think the two leads, the Nutcracker was a black male. And so, like, you know, I don't want to spoil it for you guys, because I never saw the Nutcracker before. So I don't want to, like, if anybody's watched this and never gone, I'm not going to spoil it for you guys. But just know there was black performers, white performers, Asian performers, in all different ranges of the spectrum. So it was still diverse. And I really love that, because I didn't think that it would be as diverse as Atlanta. Because Atlanta, I mean, it's a very diverse city. Like, it's a lot of people of color live in Atlanta. In London as well. But still, like, I don't know. I just didn't think it would be as diverse. Like, they would still hold that diversity, which is weird, because, like, London's beyond diverse. So I don't know why I thought that. But I love that. I love that everybody was represented for the most part. And so it was just great. And then I met this super cute couple from Amsterdam, and I shared like my wine and charcuterie with me, because I had charcuterie board with them because I had so much food. To them both, I wish them both a super happy new year and congratulations on their little one, and that they just enjoy like their baby, because they were expecting. I hope your transition into parenthood is just seamless and you just love and enjoy your new little one that's coming in April. So this super long check-in, because I didn't talk to you guys yesterday. I was so busy yesterday. I didn't even talk to you guys yesterday. Y'all, so for this vlog, I spent a lot of time in Kensington. And that's just because Kensington is like home to the Museum District and also the Royal Albert Hall. And it was literally impossible to do both things in one day. So we had to come here multiple times. One thing I will say about Kensington, if you're ever thinking about visiting this area and you're American, I feel like this area is a huge American hub. So when I was around, I heard a lot of American accents. There's a lot of things that are like that we like have, like the foods that we can eat, the places that you can shop at. They have, like you saw in Urban Outfitters, they have a Uniqlo, which isn't really American, but you know, like it's just things that are like more nostalgic and like homey for us. And it felt like I was at home. What I mean by at home, not as like the environment is nothing like America, but as far as like the hub, like the people in the area that we were at, there was a lot of Americans. So like we went to this mess hall that was in Kensington High Street, and when we were there, we were able to get food that was kid friendly. Me and Leo ate it up. Like this pizza, oh my gosh, y'all, it was so good. Like I honestly was like, how is the pizza so good? When I had just left Italy, we started our trip at Italy, and like I was like, how do we get Italian food? And then like and another thing we got was like this wrap, and in this wrap, it was wrapped with beef, chicken, fries, and veggies, y'all. And it was maybe like, think of like a shawarma place. It was, y'all, it was so good. So like me and my partner split that, and then I also split the pizza with Leo. The pizza was so good that we got two. Like it was so good. But we also were walking a lot that day, and I don't think me and Leo had ate breakfast. We might have had like a little snack in the morning, but we didn't really eat like a big meal. So like this was like our lunch and dinner, and it was so good. But in this mess hall, like Americans were everywhere. So if you're like trying to like blend in and like feel like yourself and not have to worry about like people catching on your accent, I totally recommend this area, because a lot of Americans travel to this area and stop and live in this area, or even a lot of like the hotels are in this area. After that, we went and got high tea, because the last time we got tea like was days ago. And so for this time, we went to, I don't even know the name of this restaurant. I hate that. Like I really am mad I do not remember it. But we got a high tea, and it was also so good. I got a blue matcha and like a strawberry cake. Y'all, oh my gosh, y'all. It was so good. Like, and I'm mad that I don't remember the name of it, because I actually want to come back here. And I'm realizing like the thing that I like about England is the tea. And I love tea. I'm a tea drinker more than a coffee drinker. Mostly because like the way that tea synthesizes in my system, I do not get sick. Like coffee can give me anxiety if I drink too much. And so that just does not happen when I have tea. And so I'm definitely a tea drinker, and I just love the environment and the bougie aesthetics. It's like a home to me. And so I honestly didn't film an outro for this video, you guys, so I'm so sorry, because I was stuffing my face and running around. But happy new year, and as always, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love y'all. Please like, comment, subscribe. My travel fund is linked in the description if you want to support me directly, and all locations shown in this video except for this place are also in the description. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.